Because it's an institution.
Yeah, no, I was here in Kolkata coaching 88. I know I'm coming now for a different club, Mohun Bagan, one of the biggest club, not only in India, even in Asia, with a lot of history, with great fans, very passionate, supporting the team. Okay, it's a great challenge to me to be here. I know. Mohun Bagan fans want to win trophies. It's the same that I want, the same that the players want, the same that the owner want. Win every match we are going to play. Of course, it will be very difficult to win all of them, but we are going to try. We are going to work hard, trying to make the fans, the club, the management, everybody happy, and that's the challenge. No, I told you, your colleagues before, we have to try to win all the matches. That's Mohun Bagan, right? It doesn't matter if it's ISL, it doesn't matter if it's Durand Cup, if it's Champions League, Asian competition. Okay, we are going to try to make our best in every match with all the players, with the help of the club, the management, and try to win. It's important the ISL, it's important the Champions League. Every match will be the most important. You know, when we are going to play one match, this match will be the most important match. And we are going to try to win this match and make everything to do it.
Mr. Goenka, would you like to add to that?
Mr. Goenka, would you like to?
Nivan, the RPSG management has won 4 ISL titles. But that doesn't mean we are not hungry for 5th. So, for us, every game is important. We play to win. We may not win, but we play to win.
I think I was here some time ago, and you could see my philosophy. Of course, the most important is to have very good players. I think we have. The club prepare a good squad for us, and now we have to give them the opportunity to develop his talent inside the pitch. Okay, of course we want to be offensive teams. We want to attack. We want to be aggressive in the pressure when we don't have the ball. We want to be the team who I don't know. Sorry, I don't know how to say that in English. It's very difficult. We want to be the team who dominate the game. You know, yeah. And we know is. Right now, everybody wants to beat Mohun Bagan, and we have to be ready for that. You know, we have to make an extra effort maybe to be ready for every match. Of course, I know the pressure exists. You know, and here in Mohun Bagan, you are telling now the supporters put pressure. Well, you know what happened that I'm 13 years working in football, and doesn't matter. Okay, sometimes in some places are more pressure than in others, but the pressure always exists. You know, in every club, in every country. It's my life to live with the pressure. You know, then I'm gonna work hard, trying to my best every day, every single day, in every training session, in every match, helping my players. They can do his best inside the pitch, and the pressure is not a problem for me. You know, I know what I have to do.